Alright guys, so it's day 2 of part 2 of the video, of the series, and some kids destroyed the landing and the takeoff, and they kind of destroyed the landing a bit, but we fixed that. And we're actually getting rid of this drainage, and we're putting the drainage through here because it's out of the way of the takeoff. And we got a wheelbarrow. We've got Callum and Daniel filling up the wheelbarrow. Go on, you boys. Alright, so those guys just left up there. I don't know, I have to do something. And pretty much, we built the landing, the takeoff, too far back, so kind of got these logs here. And we're just gonna pile the dirt here, and just get all that dirt, and just push it over there, so we can make an actual, nice takeoff. So, here she is, first ever reveal. I think it's almost ready to hit. I just have to do a few more adjustments. Have to clear that out a bit more. Alright, so I'm gonna send the jump now. Wish me luck. So I just had a little session on the jump, and I don't know about this step down that I was going to build, as I said in the last video. Well, I said that I was going to build one in the last video, but I don't think it's going to happen, because as soon as you jump off, it's like a little drop, you drop off there, you have to brake so much coming in here, so it's either I have it way lower, or I just don't have it, which I don't think I'm going to have it, because, I don't know, it's just too hard. So there's the jump. There's the takeoff, there's the landing. It feels, we need to build that a bit higher, but get that to the next video. And then coming through here, we're getting dirt from here because there's a little feature thing, which wasn't good. And then I built a really stupid little berm, but it was pretty much to avoid that tree there, but that didn't help at all. So yeah. In the future, we might actually build like a full 180-degree berm to get us back there, and then past that tree, then back up. Not back up, but just keep the line going, I guess. So you don't have to stop as far. Yeah, so that will be the end of this part 2 video. I'll probably will make a part 3, building that taller, and also working on the berm, but see you in the next video.